LandInsight makes it easier to find and assess off-market development opportunities. What this means is that you're able to find a site that's really suitable for your development project. You don't need to rely on the market. You can use data to identify in an area all the potential sites that you could put your development onto, and then start to manage that process, so doing deals with the landowners through to completion. The point when we started selling the product, we knew we were onto something. The product's not cheap, it's high quality. We put a huge amount of effort into the data sources behind what the end result is. And at the point we realized that this is applicable for property developers, for land agents, for consultants, for a huge range of other sectors, we really needed to scale this thing up and fast. The fact that we can bring more transparency to the land market, we can start solving our own problems, that we can potentially make a big change to the house building and the volumes that are done, which impacts everybody. It has been and it continues to be a very interesting and exciting journey. So we'd heard about this brand new geospatial unit, and this is really new and exciting for us because we aligned really well to it. In fact, I think we were two of the first people in the whole building, which was a really nice, airy workspace in Clerkenwell. So we were super excited to join, and it really helped us a lot. What Geovation really brought to us was a combination of things. They offer startups the room, the time and space to grow, but as well as that, they offer access to the kind of central organisation of Ordnance survey, and to find out what changes were happening, what new data was going to be released, and how you could start accessing this to play around with it, and so to use it in your ideas. And also they had a technical group of people who could give you real-time consultancy to how you can start moving faster with that data to put it into your products. It's absolutely fantastic to feel like you're supported by a nationwide body that is trying to encourage your growth. That alone, and the buzz that was building up about the place, and therefore the people they were bringing in, and the other people who you could bounce ideas off, really forms a great support network for your work. And in terms of morale, it really feels like you're breaking the ground in the new way that things are happening. So whenever you're with a group of people who are really pushing those boundaries, it's a fantastic place to be. There were a lot of useful things happening at the time, so we were accessing new data sets, such as from land registry, from Ordnance survey, and once we'd compiled some of our own data, such as planning applications, and we could put these things together, we were getting tremendous traction with our customers. This is really valuable to them. They were able to see clearly, visually, development opportunities in a way they never had before, and we were able to sell this. And then once we'd validated that they were willing to buy it, then we could start building out our team and developing the product further.